Hey, this is Romel with the Jack's Tutor. So today we're gonna do something different. Before I do that, I want you guys to give me feedback on the lighting, because sometimes I get the lighting right, but other times it's really awful. So I think this is a little bit better than last time I did a video. But let me show you what they asked us here in this video on this problem. I'm going to the wrong number. Let's do 20. This is this one right here. It says, which of the following is the value of x that satisfies log base x of 36 is equal to 2. So what we have here is, really truly is just knowing the definition of the logarithmic function. So we kind of have log base x of 36 is equal to 2. So think about the way to think about this is whenever you have a function like this is the base, log base x, and then this 36 is equal to 2. So what they really ask us is, it says when we take the base x, we raise it to the power of this. We raise it to the power of this, not the power of this. We raise it to the power of this, we get this. So we got a number when they say log base x. The x here is on the base. We raise it to the power of whatever is on the outside of the equal sign, on the opposite side of the equal sign. We raise it to the second power, we get 36. So, and from this you can see what the answer is. But the really big problem here in this thing is just knowing what this translate to, this whole thing translate to. So what it tells us is we have the log function. So it says the base is x. We raise it to this power, we get 36. What's the number here? X is equal to. Now, if you're solving this, you could say plus or minus 6. So all x is equal to plus or minus square root of 36. X would be equal to plus or minus 6. But you know, when you're doing the log function, you want the positive side. So x is equal to 6. Which answer choice here is, let's see what the answer choice they give us here is. It looks like it's, it looks like it's G. So 6 squared, if you raise this squared, you get 36. If you enjoyed this video, please show it on your page. You'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT, the SAT, the PACE, the PSAT. Then you'll help them a lot with this, especially the log function. And we'll do some more video eventually. And again, this is Romel with the Jack's Tutor. Thank you very much. Hey, please give me some feedback on the lighting. If you enjoy this, share it on your page. Thanks. Bye-bye.